Hello everyone, it's Camille here. I am about to try some new Burger King delicacies. We have the regular dog here, and then we have the chili dog here. And to go along with that, I got some motherfucking french fries. And then I got these things. The ultimate sidekick. They are mozzarella sticks, and they look a little bit disgusting, but we're gonna see how exactly they taste, because they actually asked him to give me some marinara sauce with them, so they might be okay. They look a little bit sketchy right now, but I'm gonna crack this bad boy open, the marinara, and see how they taste. We're gonna get this little hot dog party started off with some cheese. Look at that shape. God damn. You lift, bruh? Alright, ready? It honestly kind of tastes like exactly like the McDonald's ones that were just out, and they've, for some unknown reason, taken them out of my McDonald's. But it tastes pretty tasty. Pretty good. Nothing to write home about, but we'll see what happens with these dogs next. So now we have the regular dog, and I made him give me sauces for the dogs. I have a Zesty sauce. I don't know what the fuck that is or what it means, but let's try it on my little Burger King hot dog. Oh god, it looks very yellow. It's a lot of horseradish. Oh fuck, that's way too much Zesty sauce. Ah, I ruined it. Okay. So here's the hot dog with Zesty sauce, and now I'm going to put some french fries on it to divert from the Zesty sauce. I've eaten worse. I've eaten better. I'm definitely going to have another nibble. But this time, I'm going to put some regular mustard on it. Classic gold. It's my shit right here. This is like my mustard eating 101. Ooh, you know what I'm going to do? Now that I think about it, I have a motherfucking mozzarella stick I can put in there with the hot dog. Mozzarella stick, hot dog, mustard, another french fry for good measure. If you like cheese and meat and being disgusting, you will like this little combo. Very tasty. And like once you press the little mozzarella stick down, it almost just melds right into the dog. They're made for each other in this little home of theirs. Oh, I have to try the chili dog now. I'm gonna eat some french fries first. Look at that french fry. Shit. Nice and bendy. Okay. So now we have the chili dog. It looks busier back here, so I'm going to start back here. Just going to get into this. the texture of the actual dog part of the chili dog is kind of sketchy. I'm not sure if I should take another nibble or not. Texture is a little dense. End of the day, at Burger King, get the regular dog, add a mozzarella stick to it, live your life, have fun. Talk to you later.